let's unbox this. For my 21st birthday, I got a Mac Studio, a Magic Keyboard and a Magic Mouse. This is honestly so cute. Oh, orgasmic. Whoa! The moment of truth. The Magic Mouse. This is such a clean looking mouse. But one thing I hate is the fact that there's a lightning bolt behind it. How the f are we supposed to charge it while using... How the f are we supposed to use it while charging it, bro? What the hell? Let's see what else we have in the box. We have some democracy. What? Bureaucracy. Sorry. Some paperwork. And we have a nice braided lightning cable. That's how long it is. I think that's average sized. And I think, yeah, that's it. That's everything that's there in the box. Next up is the Magic Keyboard. So this will be much easier to unbox because it's just that. That's the Magic Keyboard. I got the one without the Touch ID because it was an extra 5,000 bucks. Anyway, so now we're gonna put it out. And off comes the key. So in the box, again, we have some more bureaucracy paperwork and the same thing I think that was there for the mouse as well. Okay, look at this. Time to open this bad boy. And we slide it off. And that, my friend, is the Magic Keyboard without the Touch ID. And now it's time. Honestly, even the box itself is impressive. Look at the Apple logo. Look at the studio from the back. Like, look at that. Mac Studio. Again, we have a full tab here, and let's go for it. That was not satisfying at all. So the moment of truth. Okay, how do I open this? How do I open this? Do I put this down? Yeah, I think I put this down. Then I pull this. No, I keep this here and I do this. No, I keep this. What do I do? Huh? What the how? Okay, I think like it's opening, but I don't know how to open it. Yeah, I think I need to do this. Bro, how the hell
do I open this box?
Try putting the handle under.
Oh, okay. Oh, are you guys ready? You can't see anything. So first of all, there's some bureaucracy paper. And in this we have the instruction manual for the Mac Studio. That is the largest Apple sticker I have ever seen. That is huge, huge. You do this and I'm stuck. I mean, I think we just take it out. Oh my god! That is heavy, bro. That is heavy. Before we get to that, this power cord is so chunky donkey. None of my Apple devices have ever used a point like this before. But either way, that's a chunky monkey wire for a chunky monkey device. And now coming up to the main device. Look at all this. I don't even know what half of these do. I know what everything does. Look at the Mac logo. I mean the Apple logo. And now that I have my Mac Studio, Magic Keyboard and Magic Mouse ready, I'm going to be setting it up on my desk along with my PC. It's going to be a dual setup, no way! And now it's time to set up my Mac Studio on my desk and it's a mess. This was the setup I used for recording the entire thing. Let's get the big bad boy first. Oh, this is a workout, by the way. And now I have a 4.3 USB switch box too.
Wait, repeat.
4-port USB 3.0 switch box. Basically, this will allow me to use my mic and my headphones on both devices alternatively. क्या करूँ? It's not fitting. Genuinely.
What happened?
This thing does not fit in that. This is too big and now I'll have to go and get an adapter for it. So the plug wasn't fitting into the socket and we needed to go and buy this. Now it will plug into the flip. I am stupid. I was about to go online and check and order something, but someone suggested that I can just go down to a hardware store and pick up one of these for $90. So we went down and we got this, and now it will fit into it. I am the champion! Moment or truth? Are you ready?
Let's go.
Oh my god. And it's ready. Oh my god, look at that. Look at the big mouse. Can you see the big mouse? So that was my setup for the Mac Studio. That's my gaming PC right there. And now I have no excuse. Videos are gonna be insane. See you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Woo!